Shit, I got the pickup ready to go to Ottawa for round 2 of the convoy. You got neon lights on that son of a bitch? Oh my god. I guess like when you can't have a car, this is your res rocket, hey? If anybody's missing bike tires, I've found them. You're wearing pure white trash? Are you blind too? Dark white, okay. That fucking rules. What do you show it? Is this a white privilege card? All the N-words have been stamped on it already. Whoa, one hard R left. One hard R left. Jesus Christ. North Battleford represent.